Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if you could own a top-rated, best-selling smartwatch for less? Today, we're diving into the renewed Apple Watch Series 9 in Midnight Aluminum. This isn't just any smartwatch, it's a powerhouse on your wrist. One of the standout features is its commitment to sustainability. This aluminum Series 9, when paired with the latest Sport Loop, is proudly carbon neutral, a choice that feels good and does good. For fitness enthusiasts, the workout app is your ultimate training companion. Imagine tracking your runs with incredibly detailed metrics, feeling the subtle vibrations of the haptic feedback guiding your pace, and seeing your progress visualized with crisp, clear graphics on the vibrant display. Beyond fitness, the innovative safety features offer genuine peace of mind. Knowing that fall detection and crash detection are silently monitoring your well-being, ready to alert emergency services if needed, is a profound comfort. And the simple press of a button for emergency SOS provides an immediate lifeline when you need it most. This Apple Watch Series 9, especially as a renewed option, offers incredible value, bringing premium technology and essential safety into your daily life without the premium price tag. Many customers have already discovered its benefits and shared their positive experiences. If you're looking for a sophisticated, reliable, and feature-rich smartwatch that excels in both performance and safety, the renewed Apple Watch Series 9 is a truly compelling choice. It's an investment in your health, your safety, and your connected lifestyle. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.